So here's 6 different mediums you can use to thicken your paint. You have the acrylic thickener. That will literally, physically, chemically thicken the paint. You mix it in, the paint will go thick, and it's still 100% paint. You don't lose any colour strength, but you're not going to get the build that you will get if you use MM2, impasto medium. Impasto medium will give you a really high build. You can paint over the top of it when it's dry, or you can add the paint to it and it really won't change the colour that much. If you want even more texture, the light modelling paste will do much the same as the impasto medium. It will dry quite quickly, much more quickly than the paint. You can add paint to it or paint over the top of it, but it'll have a slightly more textured, rougher finish than what the impasto medium will, but it's much lighter in weight. If you're looking for a glazing medium, then the gel mediums are the way to go. The matte gel medium will dry obviously quite matte, but it'll still dry relatively transparent, far more transparent than either of these mediums will. The gel medium, regular MM4, is the normal medium you would use for a 3D sort of glaze. So you're allowing the underpainting to come through. It'll dry to a very high gloss and some texture as well. But if you want the daddy of them all, the super heavy gel medium has got real body to it, still dries clear, still dries to a high gloss like the gel medium. Obviously you can add paint to it, you generally would, like the other 2 gel mediums, but it will dry with a much fatter texture, much more body to it. So there's 6 different ways to thicken your paint.